In this video, we'll walk you through how to send emails with Gmail confidential mode in a few easy steps. Let's get started. Open your Google Chrome web browser. Click on Gmail at the top right. If you are not logged in, then click on the Sign In button. Sign in with your Gmail ID and password. Click on Compose to start a new email. Enter the recipient's email address, subject, and message content. At the bottom of the email window, click on the lock icon with a clock next to it. Set the expiration date for the email by selecting the preferred time frame from the dropdown. If needed, enable the Segmenté Passcode option for added security. Click Save to apply the confidential settings to the email. Review your email, then click Send. If you enabled SMS passcode, enter the recipient's phone number to send the passcode. That's all it takes. Now your email will expire after the set time, and the recipient won't be able to copy or forward the content. See, this wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.